Let's look at simultaneous equations. The first type of simultaneous equations we'll look at is elimination. So, instructions solve simultaneously for x and y. We are given two equations here. Y is equal to 2x plus 1 and y is equal to 3x minus 4. Okay, so to solve this simultaneously, we need to set them up in order. So we have y first, 2x and 1. So the y term first, constant term second, and the y term first, variable of x second, and the constant last. Again, for the second equation, y is equal to 3x plus 4. I'll have my y term first, my x variable term second, and my constant third. Now, to use elimination, you need to have an exact term in both the equations that are the same. So in equation 1 and 2, I have y that's exactly the same. So if I'm using elimination, I'm going to take equation 1 and I'm going to subtract equation 2 from it. So I'm going to say y minus y will give me 0. 2x minus 3x will give me negative x. And 1 minus 4 will give me negative 3. So I will end up with an equation that is 0 is equal to negative x minus 3. If I solve this equation by taking the negative x over, I will end up with x is equal to negative 3. I need to take, now that I have my x answer, I solved simultaneously for x and y. My x answer I know is negative 3. I need to take my x answer and substitute into either one of the original equations. So I will substitute x equals 3 into equation 1. So wherever I see x in equation 1, I will put negative 3. So y is equal to 2 times negative 3 plus 1, and that is equal to negative 6 plus 1, which is negative 5. So my x answer is negative 3 and my y answer is negative 5. Okay, the second type of simultaneous equations is by substitution. Right, so we are given two equations here. 2x minus y is equal to 6 and y plus 3x is equal to 4. We need to solve this by substitution. So my first equation, 2x minus y equals 6, I will label as equation 1. My second equation, y plus 3x equals 4, I will label as equation 2. And I need to take one of these equations and make one of the letters subject of the formula. So I will take equation 2, and the simplest variable in equation 2 is y. So I'm going to make y subject of the formula in equation 2. That would make it y is equal to 4 minus 3x. And this I will call equation 3. I need to now substitute my new equation 3 into the equation that I did not use earlier. I did not use equation 1 earlier, so that's the one I'm going to use now. So I'll sub equation 3 into equation 1, which means wherever I see y in equation 1, I will not write y, I will write 4 minus 3x. So there we go. In equation 1, it's 2x minus y equals 6. So instead of y, I'm writing 4 minus 3x. So 2x minus 4 minus 3x is equal to 6. And I'm going to open that out. So 2x minus 4 plus 3x is equal to 6. Take my like terms onto one side, constants onto the other side. I'll end up with 5x equals 10. Solve for x and I'll end up with x is equal to 2. I'm going to take my 2 and substitute into any one of the equations above. So y is equal to 4 minus 3 into 2. I substituted into equation 3. Sub into any equation above and solve for y. You're going to end up with y is equal to negative 2. So my x answer there is positive 2 and my y answer is negative 2.